Let's multiply monomial by polynomial. 3 represents monomial, and this term inside of the parentheses represents polynomial. What we're supposed to do, we're supposed to distribute this 3 into the parentheses. I have to multiply 3 by every single term inside of the parentheses. I'm going to have 3 times 4x is equal 12x. 3 times 5y is 15y. 3 times negative 4 is negative 12. This is the solution to my problem. Let's take a look at the second example. Again, I have monomial and I have to multiply by the polynomial. What I have to do? I have to multiply negative 8 by every single term inside of the parentheses. Negative 8 times negative 2a is positive 16a. Negative times negative gives me positive. 8 times 2a is 16a. Negative 8 times 6b is equal negative 48b. Negative 8 times negative c is positive 8c. Negative times negative gave me positive. 8 times c is 8c. This is the solution to my problem.